Thumbs up, people! Today we're gonna unbox the AirPods Max, which are the Bluetooth headphones from Apple. We're going to unbox the space gray version, but there are 5 colors: black, blue, pink, which is more like an orange, green and silver. This is the first and only generation, which was released in December 2020 and is selling for the price of, $549. Yeah, we'll come to that later. But first, here they are. Let's take a quick look inside the box. Unfortunately, the AirPods Max are not compatible with USB-C. They are to be charged with a Lightning cable. This means you'll have to either keep this cable at all time when traveling or carry an adapter. Yikes! Also, to make matters worse, if you want to listen to music wired, you'll have to buy a dedicated Lightning to jack 3.5mm cable, which costs $40. Another typical crazy thing only Apple can do. If you're looking to connect your AirPods Max wired, we've made a dedicated video about it. So, the first thing I asked myself when seeing these for the first time was, what the hell is this? Is that supposed to be a case? If that's the case, pun intended, it is by far the worst case in the history of cases. A case is supposed to protect, that's its sole purpose in life. If this was a condom, you would have lots and lots of babies. I picture the Apple designers who had working sessions and meetings about this case and ultimately said, "We did it, boys. It is the perfect case." And let's be honest, this looks like a female handbag, making these the gayest headphones on the market. Joking aside, if you travel a lot and want to put these into your luggage, chances are that something's gonna scratch your earpad, or tear the earpad cushions, or the unprotected headband mesh. So my recommendation is, spend $20 on Amazon and get a cheap plastic case. Now, onto the good parts. As much as they cost too much, as much as the case is horrendous, the build quality of these headphones is absolutely stunning. I completely adore these. You won't find any visible plastic part like so many other headphones on the market. This is not a plastic toy. These are high quality headphones that are, in my view, far superior than most other headphones. Apple uses premium material for a gorgeous design, and it shows. The ear cushions are actually detachable and attached to the AirPods with magnets. Since Apple is selling ear cushions separately as well, you can mix the colors of your AirPods Max with up to 25 pair combinations. A pair of ear cushions costs $69. And this is by far what I like the most about the AirPods Max. The ear cushions, although I wouldn't say they are worth $69, are absolutely perfect. Compared to other headphones, they are very large and very soft, and that's a big selling point to me. Because if you want to wear these for, say, an hour, you want to make sure that you feel comfortable. With other and cheaper headphones, I felt some constant pressure onto my ears. Obviously, what you're looking for the most in headphones is a comfortable listening experience. And although these headphones are definitely too heavy, the ear cushions are so well made that the listening experience is really a dream. As per the sound quality, I find it simply perfect. If you already have some AirPods or AirPods Pro, you probably know already about noise cancellation and spatial audio. It is great and it works great. I'm not gonna delve into lossless and EQ since most people will have no clue what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, just know that these headphones have a perfect build quality for an equally perfect sound, but that they are indeed heavy and extremely expensive. And it's time for the summary. The pros: great design, awesome sound, premium material, large earpads, very comfortable, and a mesh headband. The cons: beyond expensive, horrendous case, too heavy, no USB-C nor jack 3.5. So what's gonna be the verdict? Yes, no, buy, don't buy. And it's a buy. Yes, it is too expensive, but it has a great design and great sound. What do you think? Share your comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Oh, did I mention the case?